Is it?
Call me baby, call me daddy. She's so cute, like Kylie.
No,
Only
she's so
Arabs
pretty,
will
like
put-
Sajdah and Hamid. What you mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is like the proper. We're paying
What
cash. No cash. She didn't let me pay.
They don't take hundreds here, yeah? They're aggressive, like, really? And I'm like, whoa, chill out.
I think I like this little life.
Fresh face, no makeup, nothing. Alhamdulillah, mashallah, Allahumma barik. Lemon and ginger. Guys, this is my mother rahimahulloh's old hadith, okay? She literally had this for years. Like, when I say years, years. Alright, you guys, so we're about to go ahead and edit some videos.
There's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign.
To steam iron my shirt and my pants. I did end up picking out an outfit, very cute and simple. I'll actually show you guys right before I walk out the door to go get my nails done. Hello, we're all ready to go. Okay, so the outfit that I have today, let me show you. Let me show you, mate. Let me show you. Hello. How are you? The brown sandals. all put together. It's really cute. It's so Cali vibes, like, what's up? Have Haneen with us. Haneen, say hello. She wants to pay.
But you have to tell them the full story. So last time she paid, it's only fair that I pay now, right?
Well, she's a visitor. You guys know what's
Doesn't
up.
matter.
You guys know when a visitor comes into town that we take care of them.
Like, a visitor is only a visitor for a week. I've been here for a month. So
Oh gosh. Honey, you're
anyway,
not
I'm
gonna
paying. I don't care what you say. I'm paying. My money's ready. My money's ready.
We're gonna pay.
Ready to jump
Wait.
over.
I don't put it past her. She'll probably jump over, but we're not gonna let her.
My
We're not gonna
$100
let-
ready, like,
No.
like 15 minutes before we actually came here.
No, it's
No,
okay.
I'm paying. I don't care what you say. You don't want to see my anger side.
She doesn't have one, you guys.
She didn't see it yet.
I don't want to see it.
Oh my god. I want to stay.
Oh, well, protect me. I mean,
Oh my god, I'm not that bad. Calm down. Oh my god, I'm gonna pay.
She's not
Literally,
gonna
last
pay.
time she did not let me pay. Whenever we go out, she don't like. She takes control. She drives. She takes me.
you
So
guys,
this
hold
time-
on. I was just
So-
asking her. I'm like, do you want to drive? And she's like, no.
I don't want to drive.
No, I
here.
don't want to drive.
I don't want to drive here.
Do you like my accent?
Oh my god, you should actually. It's so good.
It's so good, right?
It's so
I
good.
know it fits me so nicely.
Say that bloody.
That bloody.
That
I gotta get
bloody
bloody in
thing.
my. Wait, hold on. Let me go back into character, Sajdah. Okay.
You know why do you have to be aggressive if you talk
Go
in a
back.
British accent?
Because that's how you guys sound.
Is that how I sound? I
Oh,
sound like I'm
most
a bit-
definitely.
Oh my god.
You sound really aggressive, like. Really? And I'm like, whoa, chill out.
I don't talk. Do I talk like that?
I speak like that.
Oh my
Yes.
god. Do you know what I consider, like, how I speak? I speak the proper English, like we call it Queen English.
Yeah.
Which is like the proper. We pay in
What?
cash.
Hello?
No cash. No,
Sorry,
we
she's-
honestly pay in cash. You can't take hundreds. Oh wait, I've got like dollars to
Here you
take
go.
change.
Here you go. Thank you. Thank you
Are you
so
with
much.
her? Are you teaming
Wait.
up?
No. Look, she's
Did
not
you
even
let her
paying us
leave?
either.
No.
No.
I don't think she's happy. She didn't let me pay.
They don't take hundreds here, yeah?
I don't know, how can you not take hundreds?
Oh, thank you. It's so pretty.
Okay, next stop is on me. You know there's a lot of drinks here that we don't actually have over there.
Really? They gave me a free straw, you guys. Look, so pretty.
What made you think it's for you? Could be for me.
Nope.
I'm
Driver.
the visitor.
The driver.
Well, if I'm the visitor, then I should get
The visitor. Oh, no.
special straw.
No. You're not a visitor anymore, remember?
What?
You said to me,
Why
you were
did
like,
you
wait,
go-
no, wait, hold on. You were like, I'm not a visitor because I've been here for a month.
Thank you.
A visitor's only a week.
But did you let me pay? So
no,
you
because
can't-
they didn't take hundreds.
1 minute, you can't pick and choose what you want.
They didn't take
1 minute I'm a
hundreds.
visitor, no. Like Americans
Here,
are so weird.
here.
I don't want it now.
They get of
No,
America.
no,
They get out. Honey,
ah,
I'm gonna bite your head. Here, take it. Isn't it lovely? All right, you guys, we have to go get our nails done. Let's go.
Let's go. My nails are disgusting. I literally just have this pinky one. Can you see? Like, it's just this one out of all of
Is
it.
it the bio that you're looking for? Is that it?
I actually, is it weird? I like how you sound when you speak in like British accent more than
Really?
American.
Me
yeah.
too. I swear, I really like it.
Speak like
Muhammad
that.
tells me, he's
Does
like-
Muhammad talk to you in his British accent? Yeah.
No, the only thing that he'll say is in it,
In it.
in it. He's like, I was in it, and it's supposed to be like
Oh my
this,
God.
and I'm like, what?
I hate that word. In it.
Really? Why? I like it.
Because you know what the proper word to it is, isn't it?
Well, yeah.
Yeah. So. Oh. Okay.
No. Okay, we have it in sports mode, you guys. Do you like that? Hey, we're next to Yellow Cow too. Made it to the nail shop, so we're gonna get our pretty nails done here.
Getting rid of this one.
Pinky. All right, guys, let's see what color I'm gonna get. We can go somewhere else, chill. You guys, I'm about to go get my nails done. Just got my feet done. They look cute and pretty. Thanks to Elizabeth. Elizabeth, say hey. Hi. Haneen, say hi.
Sorry. Do you miss me?
I miss you so much. Oh my gosh.
I miss you so
Oh my god.
Without the pinky.
And then like eventually like you can like invest in like a camera. Haneen went up there and paid for my freaking nails. No one asked her to do that. Haneen, I'm telling Mohammed. You guys, this is my first time getting this color look. This is so pretty. See, you can tell you took your time on it. What was it?
Call me baby, call me daddy. She's so cute, like Kylie.
No,
Only
she's so
Arabs
pretty
would
like
put-
Sajdah and Haneen. What you mean?
Oh, stop it.
All right, you guys, we decided to stop at Target. I'm having a hard time getting out the car because I just got my nails done. Didn't get gel, so I don't want to mess them up. Call me daddy. She's
No,
so
call
pretty.
me baby.
Like
Call me
Sajdah and
daddy.
Haneen. I've always wanted to buy my mommy flowers.
I don't know, whichever one you like. This is pretty.
I was just about to be like this one or this one. You say lilies. Say lilies. It's for mom. I love satin. Oh, that's pretty.
But I want to wear it out today.
It's like a nightgown to me.
Lovely. I think that's cute.
Get it. Let's
Saw
go back
this
to
one
it.
in Miami, and I thought, oh my god, that was so
They have
cute.
in Target.
In Target,
Really?
and I really like the black one. And then the more I looked at it, the more I was like, oh, I'm not sure.
These are so cute. Little cereals and stuff like that. Oh
That's
my god.
good to teach her.
Yeah, like just put it in front of her. Guys, look at this. Oh my god. See, this makes me want to have a baby just to be able to do all of this stuff again. They even have this color. This color's cute. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so having like baby fever right now, but then I'm like, yeah, I don't know. Well, alhamdulillah, I have like a cute little niece and a nephew. Both of them are 8 months. One was born on November 4th and then the other one was born November 8th. So I'm like, okay, I have 2 kids right now. Like, that's good for me. But let's see the damage. Put your stuff up here. Why are you doing that?
Don't be silly. I'm not doing it. Don't do it. I swear I'm gonna put him back. I'm gonna make everyone listen to me. No, honestly.
No, it's okay. It's for girls. Stop. Just stop. I need. You paid for my nails. Let it go.
It was like
Honey,
$50.
let it go.
No.
Ouch! Oh my god, you're hurting me.
Stop it. I'm not doing this. No. I should have just gone to a different tech.
There's still lines.
Sorry, the nappies and that. No, don't do the nappies.
Okay.
Like, just leave them behind.
This right here?
No. Don't listen to her.
Okay.
I know.
Alright,
No.
give her the nappies then.
There
That's
you
fine.
She said, right? No.
I'm gonna hang this to my clothes so I can pay for them.
For what?
Don't be silly.
Don't be silly. Don't be silly, you guys. Don't. Oh my god, you guys, look at the freaking sunset. We got mommy some flowers. Aren't they so pretty? They smell good. As if you guys can smell them. But take a look at the sunset. Mashallah, it's so pretty.
Do you like the flowers I bought, Saj? Do you love me now?
I love you. I love you so much. Alright,
They are
guys,
lovely, though.
we're on our way home. Her mom already cooked. Our mom already cooked with sharing her. And we're gonna go eat. And then we're going to just chill.
Do mommy stuff.
Do mommy stuff.